Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover your account if you have forgotten your login ID. So for this, first of all, make sure that you have already downloaded the First Citizens Bank online banking service app on your device, because that is exactly what I'm going to show this for. So now open up the app. As you open up the app, you land on the login page. Then on the lower section, on the lower right section, you can see an option that says Forgot Login ID. Tap on it. After tapping on it, you are now directed towards an interface like this, where you'll have to enter your account number over here, your social security number or your tax ID over here, and then the email address that you had earlier used in order to sign up to the online banking over here. After doing this, tap on the continue button. When you tap on the continue button, you'll have to go through a certain more procedure, by means of which the bank will let you know of the login ID. Then what you can do is, by entering your login ID on this section and then entering your password over here and then tapping on the login button, you will get to be able to log into your account. So this is how you can recover your account irrespective of the fact that you had forgotten your login ID. It's quite a simple process, and I hope that this video has been able to guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Also do share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.